Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So in this video, we're going to talk about new image tool, Google Whisk. And before we get started, I just want to greet you guys a happy Merry Christmas. I hope you guys are doing well there. Anyway, let's get started. Now for this one, this is going to be Google Whisk. It's going to be an AI generation tool for images. Wherein it's a pretty simple thing to use. And by the way, guys, just a little reminder that Google Whisk is only available for the US as of now. So my workaround for this one, even though I'm in the Philippines, the way on how I use it is I was using a VPN. And the way it can make work, that's going to be a suggestion for you guys if you want to try it. So let's get started. First thing, it doesn't have any payment. It's still in the beta phase. It's still experimental. As you can see right there, so it's free to use. Now once you're here, you can make a plushie. You can make an enamel pin, a sticker. But these are going to be a sample. So I suggest clicking this one. Start from scratch. And once you click it, you're going to go straight to here. This is going to be the landing page or what's inside Google Whisk Generation AI Tool. So what you're going to notice here is basically it's just like any AI tool. So you have your prompt right there, your reference image, your libraries right here. If you click on it, you can check everything you have created on this part. Now going back on the platform, let me try removing this one so you guys can really follow starting from scratch. So these are going to be the samples I use, okay? Now, you can see right here, there's a subject, a scene, and style. Each one of them gives you the option to enter a text, which is going to be a prompt, or basically enter an image. So, as our subject, I'm going to look for an image to use here. If you are finding this video helpful so far, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel grow. You're going to look for a guy or a woman. It's better that you have a guy facing forward. Let me just use this one right here. And for the scene, I'm going to upload an image. So for this one, I am looking at something different. How about this one right here? An ocean. Okay? And then for the style, we're just looking for a style of creations. How about this one? Wonder Woman. Okay? And now, for the prompt here, I'm just going to support my images to generate a good picture. So that will be a human standing in front of a beach. It's just going to be a very simple prompt. And select this one to generate it. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. Usually they always give out two results. As you can see right here, this is the first one. It gave out a very compressive prompt. Even though I only started with a simple prompt, right? Same goes with this one. You'll notice that the tongue top, the hair, even the face is actually the same. They're really consistent, right? You can adjust your prompt here to get what you're looking for. Anyway, for this one, that's going to be the first example using some images. Now, if you click that little dice there, this means it will generate some random images. As you can see right here. And basically, I'm not going to adjust it. I'm just going to type in the same prompt. That will be a woman standing in the shoreline or in front of the beach. Click on enter. I'll get back to you once it's here. Now, welcome back to the video. These are going to be our results, which is I think this is the best one. It captured every aspect of the sample images we have. This is the second one. Of course, guys, if you want to download them, simply click that little button right there. It's going to be downloaded on a computer on a PNG file with no hassle, no problem at all. That's going to be the first example. Now, before we proceed, if you click this one right here, the three lines, it's going to give you the option to select a preset. Right now, we're doing it as realistic or as default, but you can do sticker, ornament, enamel pin, or plushie. You also have landscape this one, or square, or portrait. I'm going to remain it as landscape. And how about let's create a plushie? So for this one, as a plushie, I'm going to add an image. So I'm going to go for SpongeBob here. I think I still have SpongeBob's right here. Perfect. And for the scene, under my plushie, I'm looking for something basic, something really simple, to not really complicate the image. How about this one? Some maple leaves. And of course, for the style, I'm going to look for something really awesome also. I'm going to go with this little rocket. And now, let me just do this one. SpongeBob. Let me just fix the spelling. That will be SpongeBob plushie. Enjoying the content? Let me know by giving this video a thumbs up Your support really means a lot to me. Let me just see if I wrote SpongeBob correctly. Perfect. Click that one. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. These are going to be our results. As you can see right there, that is a SpongeBob plushie in the background of maple leaves. I think this is really good here. And by the way, guys, there is going to be another generate option here without changing the prompt. Or if you want to change it as mentioned earlier, you can do so. But let's try this one out. I'm not going to change anything just yet. And I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. It gave us another 2 samples here with exactly the same design. Now let's add some more here. You can click add more there to add some subjects in their style. Or basically click this one. The little die is the same as earlier. Select them or choose one of each. I'm going to go with the walrus right there. Remove SpongeBob. For this, I'm going to go with that little kid guy. So that will be walrus plushie. Click OK or enter. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. Here is what we have here. By the way, guys, there's also a prompt here or an option that gives you the option to refine. If I click refine there, for example, I'm going to add SpongeBob here or add additional details. I'm going to add in here SpongeBob on the background. Click OK. I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. You'll notice SpongeBob is going to be right there. It's really awesome, right? It's pretty simple. Also, if you click on that heart icon right there, that means favorite. If you click that heart on the top section, it gives you the option to see which one you have liked. Gives it also an option to download all images at the same time. It's going to be easy as that, right? So let's try another one here. I'm going to go for sticker. And then rather than upload the images, I'm going to use a text. Now for the text, I'm going to go a cute dog on a part. Simple as that. Generate an image. And for the scene here, a greenery part. Something like that. Click generate. I'll get back to you once they're here. Liking the video so far? Let me know that I'm on the right track. If we're getting value from this, go ahead and tap that like button. It means a lot. So welcome back to the video. You'll notice if you choose the sticker element, it gives you already the option for style stickers. Anyway, I'm going to type in here, dog sticker in a park. Click OK, and I'll get back to you once it's here. So welcome back to the video. And these are going to be our results. Actually, I'm going to download this one because it's what cute. Same drill, guys. If you want some more ideas, click on that 3 dots right there or the dice icon. Or basically add some more here subjects in our style. These are going to be manually. And I think that's it. That is how you use Google Whisk. Again, just a little reminder before we wrap things up, this is only available in the US as of now. So use a VPN if you don't have it available in your current feed as yet. So again, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.